Hi, my name is Alec with the Beaton Brothers Property Experts. This is the Somerset by Classic Homes. This home is equipped with 5 beds, 3.5 bath, also including a loft, office space, and a 4-car tandem.
Hey everybody, it's Mitch with Beaton Brothers Property Experts. Welcome into this open layout, dining room, living room, and kitchen. Kitchen has beautiful countertops with a white tile backsplash that complements that very well. It has very modern Whirlpool stainless steel appliances and tons of cabinet space.
Welcome to the main bedroom, filled carpet, and then the most beautiful part of this is going to be the open deck right outside. Along with a very peaceful morning, you can come into the bathroom with beautiful tile, beautiful cabinets, and a beautiful shower place and a lot of room.
Turn left when you get down here. This basement adds an additional 1,100 square feet with an open area that could be used as entertaining or a family room and 1 additional bedroom and full bath. Yeah, we're done.
What was this supposed to be?
Thanks for joining us here at Beaton Brothers while we toured this beautiful classic home. If you'd like any more information or current incentives, please feel free to reach out to us.